Elia, we're making an unboxing with Emilia and Lily and Liam. So Emilia is going to be the first one. What are you showing us, Emilia?
I don't know.
You got a dumpling, right? Mystery dumpling.
I don't know.
Mystery
Are you
dumpling.
showing us, Emilia?
Which one you hope you get?
Emilia, show us.
Which one?
Which one you wanna get? The glitter one?
The galaxy one?
Emilia, showing us what are you getting? Showing us what are you getting, please.
Show it to the camera.
We're recording for the YouTube channel.
I want the
Show it to the camera like this. Which one you wanna get?
What are you?
rainbow one.
Not even more one.
Rainbow one. I don't think the rainbow's not on there.
Okay. This is the toy. It's a special and limited edition, right? Could you tell us something more about the toy?
It's squishy.
It's squishy, okay. And it's a special edition, and it's really, really, really cool. I think.
And you don't know what you get inside.
I don't know.
So we will know here
It's
in
a
1 minute.
mystery box.
It's a mystery box. We'll see.
Okay, nice.
How
Okay.
happy we'll be if you get the
I thought it was tape.
Okay. So what is going to get Amelia? We are going to know in a second.
Here. I need help. I got it. Anyway,
Okay.
I need help. I need help.
I need help to Pastor, I need help to.
Don't open it.
Okay.
All right.
Right.
All right. You gotta show it to the camera.
Show the camera, please.
Close your eyes.
1, 2, 3.
Open it. Open it.
Wow.
Show it to the camera.
Show to the camera, please.
Blue one.
Wow, the blue one.
You like it? You love it?
You love it?
All right.
It's the
That's
best?
the blue ones.
Okay.
Come this way.
Then the next is Lily. Liam is
Take your box.
next to unboxing. And what is the unboxing you are going to show us?
Another dumpling.
Oh, that's cool.
Lily, are you nervous? You nervous?
Is your debut in a YouTube channel?
What?
Is your first time appearing in a YouTube channel? Okay.
You nervous? You're gonna
What
get
What is the time you're expecting to have?
The galaxy.
want
Okay,
the
the
galaxy
galaxy. Okay.
I need help.
Okay. Okay. So 1, so 2, and 3. Woo! Is the same?
Oh, wait.
It's a little teal.
Teal.
Okay.
Amelia, let me see yours. Mine in my bag. Can I see it? Get it.
Why
Woo!
did you squish it like that?
This is how.
And this is the dad helping to the unboxing.
No, Liam is.
Okay, and the next one next Liam.
I got limited edition Diva from Overwatch.
Oh, cool. The limited edition of Overwatch.
Funko.
Oh, nice. So please show. Ooh, that's nice. Really cool. You need help too?
Ooh.
Oh, that's really well done. This is really cool. It's
Like if you can
oh,
open it.
it's really well made. Wow,
Bobby, 6, 7.
There's the diva inside.
it's really different to other Funkos. The other Funkos
You can take her
are-
out.
Ah, yes.
You have mini Diva.
Wow, nice. It's really cool. It could be my favorite Funko with the Fallout one.
Look at this. Diva's Mac.
If you don't tell me that this is not a Funko, I could do it. The Fallout is cool too. Really cool. Congratulations. And congratulations to the dad that bought all the gifts to the kids. So, okay, so we're going to close the video.
Break it.
Okay, so
Lily, stop. You're gonna.
thanks the audience for seeing the video. Please say thank you for seeing the video.
I got
Okay, And thank you for seeing the video. Okay, we are going to close the video. Thank you for seeing the video.